Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you this 40-inch model. This is the M Pro. No, this is a M chip MacBook Pro. Now let me show you because this is a new one, so I need to mask the serial number. Now you can see this is 16-inch and 16-inch RAM and 1TB SSD M3. This is an original unboxed one. So now you can see the part number. This is MXE13LLA. LL means this is a US version. This is US version. If you like US version, you can buy this. Also, you can see the specification. This is SLV, means this is a silver color, and 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 16 GB and 1 TB. Okay, because this is unboxed, so I cannot take out the machine for you. But this is unboxed, absolutely 100% brand new. And if you like this machine, you can buy this because this maybe this price. Of course, this price is more expensive than the used one. Now you can see here. You can see the sticker. This is the unboxed one. Okay, here this is unboxed one. All right. This price is about 8,700 CNY. 8,700 CNY. Okay. I'm in the wholesale market about the MacBook. If you like a MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. Also, you can leave me a comment which one do you want to know more about the information. You can leave me a comment. I will make more video about that. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, bye.